Lewis Nelson, I'm plumbing and heating engineer.
Fantastic. And you run your own business?
Yeah, run my own business, yeah.
Fantastic. Tell me why you came to it.
Um, I want to get out of chasing work and more of creating my own sort of path, if you will. Property seems to be that way. Yeah, that's viable. But just trying to learn some more about it. Really, I don't know enough. So,
Fantastic. And where did you see? Where did you first hear about Samuel?
from my friend told me about him, who's here today.
I always try and include the question in the answer.
Sorry.
So I first heard of
Yeah,
Samuel.
yeah. Sorry, say that again.
So the question is, when did you first hear about
Oh,
Samuel?
yeah, sorry. I first heard about Samuel through a friend of mine on YouTube, and then I've followed him on Instagram, following his stories and videos on YouTube as well. Yeah.
Fantastic. And do you feel like it's been valuable you coming here today?
Yeah. Valuable. Yeah, definitely. I've learned quite a lot today so far, and also invested in another course as well, another bunch of courses as well. So, yeah, very, very valuable, I think.
Fantastic. So you've invested in the courses.
Yeah.
What are you which strategy are you most excited about?
Probably BRR. Sorry.
Trying to include the question.
Yeah, sorry.
Strategy I'm most excited about.
The strategy I'm most excited about is buy, renovate, and refinance. It's probably what I'm excited about. But all of it, to be honest with you, I'm eager to learn more about every aspect.
Fantastic. And tell me about Samuel and like what your perspective was of it once you saw him. Like, what was his energy like? How was his presence?
Samuel's energy, it rubs off on you, I think. It's quite positive, very positive actually. Yeah, and just he wants to help everyone. That's the vibe that I'm getting. And doesn't seem to me like just a market employee. It's helping hands for everyone. I feel like anyway.
Fantastic.
But-
And to anyone who was thinking about investing in the crash course or coming to the crash course,
Yeah.
what would be your recommendations?
Do it, especially on. Yeah, sorry. Sorry.
It's really difficult.
Yeah, no, sorry. Sorry, what was the question again?
So to people thinking about coming to the crash course, what would you say?
Anyone thinking about coming, do it. Even if it's the £1 course or the paid one, do it. I don't feel like you're not gonna walk away empty-handed. I don't think. I think you'll learn at least one thing, I think.